Hi guys, today I'm gonna try this. We're gonna try this right now. So they're like little potato rings. Potato rings. Let's try. They're pretty good. These are Japanese words. If you know how to read them, please let me know in the comments. If you like the video, bye.